Welcome to Daily Garden Fix, where we turn your backyard into a jaw-dropping masterpiece without draining your wallet. Want to know the secret to a garden that looks like it was plucked from a luxury magazine, but costs less than your morning coffee run? Today, we're unveiling 10 brand new Dollar Tree hacks that transform everyday items into designer decor. Think chic planters, glowing accents, and structures that'll have your neighbors begging for your secrets. These projects are so clever, you'll wonder why you didn't try them sooner. Perfect for patios, balconies, or sprawling yards. They're easy enough for beginners, yet stunning enough for pros. Grab your glue gun, some twine, and a whole lot of curiosity. Hit that subscribe button and tap the bell, because you won't believe what's coming. Let's make your garden the talk of the town. Hack 1. Mosaic tile stepping stones. Ever dreamed of a garden path that looks like it belongs in an Italian villa? Let's make it happen for just $2. Stepping stones add structure and elegance, guiding guests through your garden while protecting plants from foot traffic. They're a budget-friendly way to mimic high-end stonework, perfect for creating winding paths, defining flower beds, or adding a focal point in small yards. Materials: Dollar Tree glass gems, ceramic plates, concrete mix, round plastic lids, cooking spray, hot glue hammer. Steps: 1. Wrap plates in a towel and break into small pieces with a hammer for mosaic tiles. Sort gems by color for a vibrant design. 2. Spray a plastic lid 8 to 10 inch diameter with cooking spray as a mold. Mix concrete per instructions and pour 1 inch thick. 3. Arrange plate pieces and gems in a swirling or geometric pattern on the wet concrete, pressing gently to set. Let cure for 24 hours in a shaded area. 4. Pop out the stone, sand edges if needed, and seal with clear spray for weather resistance. Positioning: place stones 12 to 18 inches apart along a curved path through your garden, leading to a seating area or focal point like a bird bath. Surround with low ground cover like thyme for a seamless, charming look. This $2 hack takes 30 minutes, plus curing, and transforms your garden into a luxurious, walkable art piece that screams sophistication. Tip: create 5 to 7 stones in complementary patterns for a cohesive, designer-worthy path. Hack 2. Rope wrap planter vases. Want planters that look like they came from a coastal boutique? You'll be shocked at how easy this is. These vases add textured nautical charm, elevating plain pots into statement pieces that enhance any garden's aesthetic. Ideal for patios, entryways, or tabletops to display succulents or herbs, adding vertical interest. Materials: Dollar Tree plastic vases, jute rope, hot glue gun, acrylic paint, potting soil, succulents. Steps: 1. Paint vases in a neutral tone, beige or cream, to mimic ceramic. Let dry for 10 minutes. 2. Starting at the base, apply hot glue in small sections and wrap jute rope tightly in spirals, covering the entire vase for a woven texture. Secure the end with glue. 3. Fill with potting soil and plant succulents like echeveria for low-maintenance beauty. 4. Mist plants lightly to settle soil. Group 3 to 5 vases of varying heights on a patio table or along steps, angled slightly for a relaxed, curated vibe. Place near a seating area to draw the eye. This $2 project takes 20 minutes and creates a high-end, coastal look that's perfect for small spaces. Add a faux seashell or driftwood piece for extra beachy elegance. Hack 3. Fairy light orb chandelier. Ready to light up your garden like a fairy tale wonderland? This hack will leave you starry-eyed. A glowing chandelier adds ambience and extends your garden's usability into the evening, mimicking expensive outdoor lighting. Great for illuminating patios, pergolas, or tree canopies during gatherings or quiet nights. Materials: Dollar Tree wire wreath frame, solar fairy lights, plastic beads, faux greenery, floral wire. Steps: 1. Secure solar fairy lights around the wreath frame with floral wire, wrapping tightly to cover evenly. 2. Thread plastic beads onto the wire between light strands, spacing 2 to 3 inches apart for a jeweled effect. 3. Weave faux ivy or eucalyptus through the frame, securing with wire for a lush, organic look. 4. Hang from a sturdy tree branch or pergola with twine, ensuring the solar panel gets sunlight. Suspend over a dining table or seating area, 6 to 8 feet high, to cast a warm, inviting glow. Pair with string lights along a fence for added magic. This $3 hack takes 30 minutes and creates a mesmerizing, designer-worthy centerpiece that transforms evenings. Use warm white lights for a cozy, luxurious feel. Hack 4. Faux marble plant stands. Think marble is out of your budget? This hack fakes it flawlessly for pennies. Marble-like stands add modern elegance, elevating plants to create a polished, gallery-like display without the hefty price tag. Perfect for showcasing potted plants on patios, corners, or near entryways for a trendy focal point. Dollar Tree foam boards, marble contact paper, hot glue, wooden dowels, small clay pots. Steps. 1. Cut foam boards into 3 circles, 8-inch, 10, 12 diameter, using a utility knife for tiered stands. 2. Cover each circle with marble contact paper, smoothing carefully to avoid bubbles for a seamless finish. 3. Cut dowels into 6 to 12-inch lengths and glue as legs to the underside of each circle, ensuring stability. 4. Place small pots with vibrant geraniums or ferns on each stand. Arrange stands in a triangular cluster in a sunny corner of your patio, with the tallest at the back to create depth and draw attention. This $3 project takes 45 minutes and delivers a sleek, upscale vibe that screams modern luxury. Add gold-painted pots for a touch of glamour. Hack 5. Boho macrame plant hangers. Craving that boho chic vibe? This hack will have your plants floating in style. Macrame hangers add a breezy artisanal touch, maximizing vertical space and creating a relaxed, trendy aesthetic. Ideal for balconies, porches, or small gardens to display trailing plants with a handcrafted look. Materials: Dollar Tree cotton cord, wooden beads, small terracotta pots, potting soil, trailing plants. Steps. 1. Cut 8 cords 4 feet each, knot together at one end, leaving a 3-inch loop for hanging. 2. Divide cords into pairs and tie square knot 6 inches down, threading a bead onto each pair for texture. 3. Repeat knots every 4 inches, forming a net to cradle a pot with a plant like pothos. 4. Place the pot in the net, hang from a hook or branch, and adjust cords for balance. Hang in groups of 3 at varying heights near a patio corner or under an awning, ensuring plants get indirect light for lush growth. This $2 hack takes 20 minutes and creates a bohemian masterpiece that elevates small spaces. Mix bead colors for a playful, eclectic look. Hack 6. Stencil wooden crate shelves. Want shelves that look like they came from a farmhouse boutique? You won't believe how simple this is. These shelves add rustic charm and functional storage, turning plain crates into stylish displays for plants or decor. Perfect for organizing herbs, flowers, or garden tools on fences, walls, or patios. Materials: Dollar Tree wooden crates, acrylic paint, stencils, screws, potting soil, herbs. Steps. 1. Mix acrylic paint with water for a weathered white wash. Brush onto crates sparingly and let dry. 2. Apply stencils with words like herbs or floral designs using contrasting color, e.g. black or green. 3. Secure crates to a fence or wall with screws, spacing 12 inches apart vertically or horizontally. 4. Fill with potted herbs like basil or small flowers, watering lightly. Positioning: mount on a sunny fence near a kitchen door for easy herb access, staggering crates for a dynamic, rustic display that draws the eye. This $2 project takes 30 minutes and mimics high-end shelving for a cozy, organized garden. Add chalkboard labels for a customizable farmhouse touch. Hack 7. Glass bottle garden edging. Imagine a garden border that sparkles like jewels. Ready to make it yours for $2? Glass bottle edging adds a vintage, sustainable charm, defining beds while repurposing waste into a dazzling feature. Great for outlining flower beds, vegetable patches, or pathways with polished, eco-friendly look. Materials: Dollar Tree glass bottles, metallic spray paint optional. Shovel. Steps. 1. Clean bottles and remove labels. Optionally, spray paint half in gold or copper for a luxe effect. 2. Dig a 6-inch deep trench along your garden bed's edge, ensuring a straight or gently curved line. 3. Place bottles upside down, necks buried, spacing 1 to 2 inches apart for a tight, uniform look. 4. Backfill with soil and tamp down to secure. Water lightly to settle. Lime bottles along a flower bed near the garden's entrance or around a focal tree, where sunlight catches the glass for a sparkling effect. This $2 hack takes 1 hour and creates a sustainable, designer-worthy border that elevates any garden. Alternate clear and painted bottles for a vibrant, eclectic edge. Hack 8. Copper pipe trellis. Want a trellis that looks like it costs a fortune? This hack fakes copper for a fraction. A trellis adds vertical structure and modern elegance, supporting climbers while creating a sculptural focal point. Ideal for growing vines like clematis or jasmine, adding privacy or beauty to fences or walls. Materials: Dollar Tree PVC pipes, copper spray paint, zip ties, climbing plants. Steps: 1. Cut PVC pipes into 4 4-foot and 6 2-foot lengths using a hacksaw. 2. Spray paint pipes with copper metallic paint, applying 2 coats for a realistic finish. Dry for 20 minutes. 3. Assemble into a grid, 4 vertical, 3 horizontal, using zip ties at intersections for stability. 4. Stake into the ground near a fence and plant climbers at the base, training them upward. Place at a 10-degree angle against a fence or wall in partial sun, ensuring climbers cover it for a lush, modern screen. This $3 project takes 45 minutes and mimics expensive copper trellises for a chic, luxurious look. Add fairy lights for a glowing evening effect. Hack 9. Beaded wind chimes. Ready for a garden that sings and sparkles? This hack is music to your ears. Wind chimes add soothing sounds and visual charm, creating a sensory experience that feels artisanal and high-end. Perfect for patios, trees, or pergolas to enhance ambience during breezy days or evenings. Materials: Dollar Tree wooden beads, fishing line, metal key rings, small bells. Steps: 1. Cut 5 fishing line strands, 2 to 3 feet each, and tie each to a key ring for the hanger. 2. Thread beads and bells alternately, knotting every 3 inches to secure and create varied lengths. 3. Hang from a tree branch or hook, ensuring strands move freely in the wind. 4. Adjust lengths for different tones and a balanced, cascading look. Hang under a tree canopy or pergola near a seating area, where breezes activate the chimes and sunlight catches the beads for a sparkling effect. This $2 hack takes 20 minutes and add a melodic, boutique-quality touch to your garden. Use metallic beads for a luxe, reflective shimmer. Hack 10. Faux stone water feature. Think a bubbling water feature is out of reach? This $3 hack will blow your mind. A water feature adds tranquility and sophistication, mimicking natural stone fountains for a fraction of the cost. Ideal as a centerpiece for patios, small yards, or meditation corners to create a serene vibe. Materials: Dollar Tree plastic bowls, river rocks, submersible solar fountain pump, hot glue. Steps: 1. Stack 3 bowls, small to large, in a tiered formation, gluing securely at contact points. 2. Glue river rocks around the exterior, overlapping slightly to mimic natural stone. Cover completely. 3. Fill the top bowl with water and place the solar pump inside for a gentle bubbling effect. 4. Position in a sunny spot and add pebbles around the base for a polished look. Place in the center of a patio or near a bench in full sun, surrounded by low plants like moss to enhance the natural, calming aesthetic. This $3 project takes 40 minutes and creates a luxurious, spa-like focal point that elevates your garden serenity. Add a small solar light nearby to highlight the water at night. Want your garden to scream designer chic? Mix textures, glass, rope, and faux stone for a curated look that feels intentional. Repeat elements, like multiple planters or chimes, across your space for cohesion. Vary heights with stands and hangers to create depth, and use solar lights to spotlight features at night. Place bold pieces like the water feature or trellis where they'll draw attention, like near an entrance or seating area, for maximum charm. Each hack costs $2 to $3, totaling under $30 for a garden that rivals professional design. Using Dollar Tree finds and a sprinkle of creativity, you crafted a luxurious outdoor oasis that proves high style doesn't need a high budget. Your neighbors will be green with envy. Which hack stole your heart? The sparkling bottle edging or the Boho macrame hangers? Drop a comment below and tell us what you're trying. Like, share with your DIY crew, and subscribe to Daily Garden Fix for more wallet-friendly wow moments. Hit that bell to never miss a hack. Wow, Garden Fam, you just turned Dollar Tree treasures into a designer dreamscape. Thanks for joining this journey. Your backyard is now a showstopper. Keep crafting, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video.